Oh, it's been 2 hours since I woke up and my eyes are still like, do you see that? Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today I let my hair down because I was feeling it. I tried out this new hair kit kind of thing. It's like shampoo, conditioner and a pre-shampoo mask, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep my hair down. I will talk about it in a bit. You guys loved the jeans haul and you guys were like, do it again, and I was like, I will. Here I am. By the way, if you want to know, this top is from Meesho and this necklace I made it myself. अब हम jeans haul के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं, ठीक है? Last jeans haul was more like flared ones and you know my personal style. Now these are again absolutely perfect. उसका look इतना खूबसूरत है ना, you guys would be like, Thank you, Aishwarya. So I'm gonna go with the stylish one first and the basic one at the end. मुझे ना tags ज़रा नहीं पसंद, बीच में आते हैं जब, इसलिए पहले काट रही हूँ. Starting से शुरू करते हैं. So this is the first jeans that I'm gonna be showing you. This is absolutely cute. This looks basic right now, right? There's a twist. It has a slit, guys, all the way. So I was like, have to get it. Absolutely gorgeous. I got this one from Ajio. It's like a pale blue shade. It has this cute design pocket ke side mein, which kind of again gives me, you know, 2000 vibes. I got this in 32 size. You know, it's not my size, but it's okay. I'll alter it a little bit from the waist. It has a very simple plain back pocket design. Very slight stretch. The color is very basic, so you can like pair it with anything. It is from the brand Exposed Attitude. It has like a slit from upper thigh portion. My height, by the way, for reference, is 5'4". नीचे से it has this ribbed feel to it. वो धागे निकले हुए हैं, you know, rough, raw, edgy vibe, and it has flare. So you know I love flare jeans. So the MRP of this is 1,799 rupees, which is slightly expensive, but I got it for 1,205 rupees. जैसे मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, I will talk about new hair kit that I tried on. This is the brand Bare Anatomy. I have literally been seeing this all over Instagram and I did try it and it's absolutely gorgeous. So these are custom made hair care, okay? These are personalized just for us. This one specifically is personalized for me and it has my name on it, which is so cool, okay? Your shampoo has your name on it. I was like, I love how beautifully it was packed, and when I opened it I was like aesthetically pleased, okay? I'm not even kidding. So this pack has a pre-shampoo mask, a shampoo and a conditioner. So 3 things. To be very honest, this is my first time trying out a pre-shampoo mask. What I did was I just applied it before shampoo, kept it on for like 15 to 20 minutes. You can see like I let my hair down today, but it looks like so silky and smooth, and I enjoyed putting it on under the sun, just, you know, feeling the vibe, some self-care love. Everybody's hair is different, right? Like I have different hair texture, you will have a different hair texture. Now how do you personalize it? So you get a quiz when you go to the website. It's like a short quiz of 2-3 minutes. You get different kinds of questions from about your hair type, about your scalp type, how often do you get oil secretion, to, you know, how much hair fall do you face on a regular basis. And they even asked a question of whether you have colored hair or not, which I was like so pleased considering I have purple hair now. And at the end of the quiz you get this question about what are the goals that you want to achieve with your hair care kit, right? I chose deep conditioning, volume and shine because my hair is frizzy. I want shine and volume because I tend to straighten my hair so it kind of goes flat. One thing I absolutely loved about this, you get to choose the color of your hair care. You all know my favorite color is lavender and I chose lavender and it is so pretty. What's more special is you can even choose whatever name you want on the bottle. So I just put Aishwarya. It makes you feel special, you know, personalized for Aishwarya. And of course, one more thing I love about it, it's 100% vegan, it's freshly made. And now, how can you get it? I will leave the link of the website in the description. I have a referral code right here. This is the referral code. You will get 500 rupees off on your first purchase. That's a good discount, right? 500. and it's a limited period offer. Okay, I'll leave all the details in the description. Just go to the website, take your quiz, design your own product, and choose a beautiful color you want, and personalize your own hair care with Bare Anatomy. This is the next jeans. It's asymmetrical. I love anything asymmetrical. It has cute buttons. ये ऊपर की तरफ extra है, which is what I love. Like if you are wearing a crop top, how cool would that look? Think about it. And one more special thing about this is obviously it has 2 different shades on each leg, which you know I love extra. It has 2 different shades. This is the darker, this is the lighter shade. Obviously this is a slim fit. This is like wo skinny wala jeans. It does not have stretch, by the way. The material is not the perfect jean denim material, the lightweight normal jean cloth material. It's kind of like that. I got it in size 30, which is my exact size. MRP of this is 1999 rupees. It was off that day on Myntra and I got it for 679. Now, this is the next one. This is probably my favorite go-to denim. So if you know, last time I got a jean from the brand Coty. You can see it is exactly what I love. Classic denim vibe. And I got this from Ajio, by the way. This is in the size 30. So it fits me like a glove, very honestly. It is high-waisted. One thing I absolutely love about this is, so iska ye waist hai na, it has this thing, like it clenches onto your waist if you buy the right size, and it has cute rips on it, like ऐसे छोटे छोटे cuts लगे हुए हैं, और नीचे की तरफ इसमें उन्होंने एक fold करके रखा है because that's the look of it. This is not heavy, this is lightweight. No stretch, by the way, it has 0 stretch. Doesn't this look like me? So a beautiful, beautiful girl, Prerna, made this for me and sent it to me. This is so gorgeous. I literally cried, by the way. I'm so grateful for this. Thank you, Prerna, for this. I'm gonna be sleeping with this. And I cannot believe you made this yourself. By the way, guys, she made this. How talented is she? Yeah, guys, so this is it for today. Have a beautiful day today. You know, khana kha lena. Smile. Smile right now. There you go. Follow me on my Instagram. So yeah, I'll see you guys again next time. Until then, a lot of kisses and love. Bye, guys.